US Secretary of State Antony Blinken, who is on a two-day visit to India, met his Indian counterpart S.J. Shankar and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval in capital New Delhi on Wednesday. Blinken and J. Shankar held discussions on a range of bilateral and regional issues, including rapidly changing situation in Afghanistan, Indo-Pacific and health collaboration to combat COVID, among others. Blinken also called on Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi later in the day. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken, who is on his maiden visit to India, met Indian Foreign Minister S.J. Shankar in New Delhi on Wednesday and held delegation-level talks aimed at bolstering bilateral ties after meeting National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. The talks covered an extensive agenda that included the rapidly evolving security situation in Afghanistan, ways to boost Indo-Pacific engagement and enhancing COVID-19 response efforts, among others. Blinken stressed on collaboration and cooperation between the two countries during the talks. In a joint presser after the meeting, Jaishankar said in the discussions both sides focused on expanding vaccine production to make it globally affordable and accessible. Both sides discussed regional security issues, including Afghanistan.
Among the many issues that we looked at, I would specifically note Afghanistan, the Indo-Pacific, and the Gulf. Regarding Afghanistan, it is essential that peace negotiations are taken seriously by all parties. The world wishes to see an independent, sovereign, democratic and stable Afghanistan, at peace with itself and with its neighbors.
Blinken said India and US share strong interest in peaceful, secure and stable Afghanistan, and attacks by the Taliban on civilians as US troops pull out of Afghanistan are deeply troubling.
Yes, certainly what we're seeing on the ground in the last week is the Taliban making advances on district centers, challenging some provincial capitals. We've also seen these reports of atrocities committed by the Taliban in areas that it's taken over that are deeply troubling, and certainly do not speak well to the Taliban's intentions for the country as a whole.
Blinken called on Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi later in the day during his visit as the China rivals seek to deepen their cooperation and iron out differences. It is Blinken's first visit to India after assuming charge as the US Secretary of State and the third by a high-ranking Biden administration official after it came to power in January.